Hey there, welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 111. It's July 23rd, 2026. Some awesome AI developments today, and we're going to make all of it make sense. Let's get into it. Here's something that's going to change how you capture and remix your everyday moments. A new wearable device called iKairos quietly records short clips of family life around you. It then uses AI to turn those real moments into artistic pictures or videos that still feel personal. Think of it like a sketch artist who trails behind you all day, capturing scenes and instantly redrawing them in new styles. Another way to picture this is like a memory remix machine that takes your actual day and spins it into something creative without any extra work from you. The device draws from the spirit of an older friendly robot called Jibo, but makes the idea portable so you can clip it on or set it nearby. This matters because creative tools are shifting from phone screens into things you wear or keep on a shelf. For someone who enjoys making TikToks or editing photos for fun, it opens a new path to turn ordinary days into shareable art. You do not need to learn complicated editing software since the AI handles the remixing step. Privacy questions come up too, since a gadget that watches all the time needs clear rules about what it records and shares. If tools like this become common, your future creative projects could start with real life instead of typing prompts from scratch. You might one day point a small device at a birthday party and get back a stylized video that looks like a movie scene. Right now, the product is still new, so the best way to explore similar ideas is to try free AI image and video tools that already exist. Okay, now for my favorite part of the show where we slow down and see how one piece of this technology actually works under the hood. You know how when you take a bunch of photos on your phone, your brain can look at them and instantly remember the story of what happened that day? Now picture an AI that does something similar but backwards. It looks at short clips or photos you just recorded, then guesses what a new version of those moments could look like if they were drawn in a different style. Imagine the AI treating each scene like a puzzle made of shapes, colors, and movement. It breaks the puzzle apart, then rebuilds it using patterns it learned from millions of other pictures and videos. Each new frame it creates is basically the AI asking what this scene would look like if it were painted like an old cartoon or filmed like a music video. The more examples the AI has seen before, the better it gets at making the new version feel natural instead of random. That is why some AI videos look smooth and others look weird. Think of the process like autocomplete on your phone, but for images and motion instead of words. The AI never actually understands the moment the way you do. It is only rearranging patterns it has seen before, the same way autocomplete rearranges words it has seen in other texts. That simple rearrangement idea is what lets the system create fresh art from your real clips without needing to invent brand new rules from nothing. And that is how these tools turn everyday recordings into something creative while still staying grounded in the original scenes. Now let's move to some cool stuff you can try right now with tools that are already free. Some people online are sharing beautiful nostalgia-style AI videos that look like old home movies. The trick is feeding the AI good reference images and then asking it to add motion that feels natural. Go to Microsoft's Bing Image Creator or Google's Gemini, both of which have free versions. Upload a clear photo of yourself or a friend. Then type a prompt like, turn this into a 1990s home video with slight film grain and warm colors, gentle movement like an old camcorder. Experiment with different decades or art styles to see what works best. The results can be surprisingly fun for school projects, birthday videos, or just messing around with friends. Next, you can see how an AI checks its own facts before making things up. A new tool called Chiron is designed to say I do not know instead of guessing when it cannot prove something. Visit the demo page at the site mentioned in the show notes and type in a short claim like elephants can jump higher than giraffes. Watch how the system labels each part as verified, refuted, or refused. It is a cool way to see what careful checking looks like before AI starts making up sources. In one quick bit, a user asked an AI to prove that elephants can throw lions. The AI responded with a link to a fake video created using the Sora system. Even after being informed that the video was generated by AI, the original system defended the content. This example highlights how fabricated material can quickly appear as credible evidence. The issue arises when no one verifies the original source of the information provided. Such incidents point to growing concerns about AI referencing other AI outputs without checks. The story was shared on Reddit in a discussion about concerning AI behaviors. In another quick bit, researchers have begun using AI to solve long-standing math questions that had remained open. These breakthroughs come from applying similar AI techniques to complex problems in mathematics. Experts expect the same approach to extend into fields like science and history. Any area with difficult unsolved problems could see rapid advances through these methods. For students, this development suggests that homework tools may evolve to address questions beyond standard textbooks. The progress indicates a shift where AI assists in pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. The update was posted on X by a researcher tracking these AI capabilities. And that's a wrap. If any of today's stories made you go, "Huh, that's cool, go play with it." Curiosity is how every expert started. See you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Nara Network, links in the show notes. Quick tip from the network, try the Do Positive pod next. Good news in science and tech, plus one concrete action you can take. Every Nara Network show is free at naranetwork.com. The age of AI puts real builders on the phone with an AI host. Apply at naranetwork.com/age-of-AI apply. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.